Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we're going to be doing an engine air filter replacement in a 2018 Honda Civic. It's super easy to do. There's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can go pick up like your filters on Amazon. They are significantly cheaper than the dealerships because they'll try to rip you off. Very quick, easy project. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so in order to do the engine air filter, there's going to be a tab on either side of the air box. You're just going to go ahead and pop the tab off on each side. That'll just literally lift up and you pull the old air filter straight out, which as you can see, it gets pretty dirty. And then if there is like a lot of leaves and sticks in there, you do definitely want to vacuum that out before you put your new filter in. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and take this and you're just going to set it right back into place, close that up, and then it's going to pop these right back into place. It's literally that easy. And the dealerships will charge you probably like 50 bucks for this job. And then a lot of that's cost of the filter. Link in the description down below. You can get it from Amazon. It's like 10, 15 bucks max. So yeah, you guys can also pick up a K&N filter for kind of higher performance. Those are washable, reusable. So you guys can then just pull that out, clean it out, throw it back in, and you're good for I think like 200,000 miles. So yeah. All right, if this video helped you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. There's going to be a link in the description down below so you can pick up the regular filter as well as the K&N filter. It's a washable, reusable filters, but it's quite a little bit more expensive, but it will last you pretty much the life of your car. Like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.